TPOB trimmer and Babyliss FX Gold trimmer both have the TPOB Psycho blade on them. I did swap out the original FX Gold blade on the Babyliss and put the Psycho blade, but now that I have this trimmer, we'll go ahead and swap it off. Changing the blade is very easy. It's just 2 screws that pop off and everything comes off as one piece. Swapping back to the Gold FX blade, I love this blade because it's great for all skincare type and all hair types, so people are less likely to get irritated compared to the black one, but don't get me wrong, I love the Psycho blade. Before I do install the blade, I'm just going to oil it up just a little bit. Installing the new blade is just as easy as taking it off. You just align it with the 2 screw holes and screw it back on.